iSoweto TV ibambisene neBYD Soweto sebenikele ngokudla ekhaya labakhubazekile eSheshaya Home njengengxenye yokuqhuba izenzo zokwelula isandla zosuku likaMandela okuhloseke ngazo ukusiza amalungu omphakathi adinga usizo. Lolu hlelo kwaluyingxenye yokuzibophezela kwalenkampani ekukhuthazeni ubuntu okwabeke kugqugquzelwa nguNelson Mandela. Abahleli ke balolu hlelo bathi lungolunye kweziningi ezihleliwe okuhloseke ngazo ukubhekelela labo abesweleyo nokushintsha impilo yabo.
iSoweto TV ngensebenziswano nenkampani yemoto eseSoweto iBYD zenze umnikelo kwiziko labantu abakhubazekileyo iSheshaya elizinze imfulo njengenxalenye yokubhiyozela umhla wokuzalwa kwabawo uNelson Mandela nokuqhubeka ukushumayela umoya wobuntu ukupha nokubonisa uthando.
This initiative, it came together actually between the BYD Soweto, which those electric cars that they are situated here in Soweto, and also Soweto TV, as we are in a vicinity of Soweto. So we realized, no man, let's all come together and serve also one of the home of disability, Sheshaya, that let's just come together and give them a gesture and bring them something that they can have lunch with, and which that came together, and BYD Soweto and Soweto TV made it all possible, and thank you so much for Sheshaya, and then we've seen the goodness that we have done.
Elinyathelo lelinye kwamaninzi enjongo yawo ikukwenza utshintsho ekuhlaleni nekhwelo kwabo banako ukuba banikele kwabo bangathathi ntweni.
When they told us we got an opportunity to come here and help the needy, it was a no-brainer. And also, I think it's very important to note that it's not about, we're not here to sell cars right now. We are here to do what's right. We are here and we don't want to just do it for 67 minutes. We want to just keep doing it and doing it. It might not be the same place all the time, but at least we just need to keep giving back to the community of Soweto.
It shouldn't be 67 minutes of Mandela Day for just those 67 minutes. It should be something we do every day. It is actually a principle. It's actually a commandment from God. We need to take care of those that are less fortunate than us. And the people that are here, again, I want to say, we may title them as disabled, but they are not disabled. They are able to do other things even more than those that are fully able-bodied are.
Eliziko libamba ngazibini ngalomnikelo kwaye likwacela namanye amaSamariya alungileyo ukuba ancede kuphuculeni iziseko zalo.
For them to experience that I've experienced it today, I'm definitely sure iyababonisa ukuthi we are not forgotten. We are part of the community. We are part of umhlaba nathi ngokwethu. Iba also nikeza hope yokuthi yazini we can be living with a disability. Sine challenge yakhona, but at the end of the day abantu bayasithanda nathi sabathanda. The major thing here like higher is maintenance. We can still say food is also welcome asikwazi ukuchange, but if indawo abahlala kuyo it's ibukeka kahle ihomely for bona, yiyo nje into engathi singayijabulela usizo kulo.
Naluphi na uhlobo lweminikelo kweliziko lwamkelekile. Kwiindaba zeSoweto TV ndinguNomzabalazo Mthuka eMfulo.